Hi, I'm Celeste from Sawblade.com. When it comes to door lock installation, having the proper tools for the job can be the make or break of a properly functioning doorknob. That's why I want to tell you all about Sawblade.com's Easy Install Bi-Metal Door Lock Kit. Our Easy Steel Door Lock Kits are for DIY-ers to professional users who are looking for clean and precise cuts in hardwood and metal doors. Whether you are remodeling, replacing a damaged door, or installing a deadbolt, these bi-metal steel hole saw blades work with any door that has a width between 1 3/8 inch and 1 3/4 inch, and back sets of 2 3/8 inch and 2 3/4 inch. The Q-Saw door lock installation kit includes a 1 inch and a 2 1/8 inch bi-metal hole saw, one rack and pinion style guide template, and installation instructions. Here at Sawblade.com, we are hobbyists and fabricators just like you. And if there's one thing we know, there's no substitute for the proper tool for the job. Our Easy installation kits provide a quick and clean alternative, taking out all of the guesswork in door lock installations. Sawblade.com carries an extensive line of performance hole saw products, as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products at factory direct prices. We manufacture and sell direct so we can control and improve the quality of the product and the customer's experience, making sure that you are always a satisfied customer and bringing you quality industrial sawing products at lower prices. And while you're there, don't forget to check out Sawblade.tv, where you can access our assortment of sawing solutions, tech tips, and keep up with the latest in Sawblade.com motorsports. Sawblade.com is simply the best in performance sawing products. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.